What's up, internet marketers? Like Paul from internetmarketinggym.com. I just want to say thank you very much. I've hit 1,000 subscribers. This is a very important milestone for me. I know that I'm still a very tiny channel compared to the other channels I follow, but I just want to say thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here. As you can see, I'm drinking a little bit of beer because this is such a great honor for me. I'm celebrating. So I just want to say thank you very much, and I'm going to put out more content, more tutorials, more guides on how to create an online business, and I hope you enjoy them. So thank you very much once again. I'm just really happy. Okay, so thank you. Ciao.